To connect Sony WF-C710N with two devices simultaneously, first of all, you have to be connected with your first device. So you have to actually be connected with smartphone and the Sound Connect application. It's actually necessary. Then you will have to scroll for device settings, move into the system, and be sure that you that you turn on this option. And next, you have to put back both of your earbuds inside the charging case. You have to enter for the pairing mode, so you will have to click and hold this back button until this indicator on the front starts blinking blue. So it will take around 5 seconds. Now we can release. And on your second device, you have to go into the settings, go into Bluetooth, turn it on, and select your earbuds from the list. Now, as you can see, we are connected with this device. So this is the time when we have to actually, get back into our previous phone. Just be patient. I'm gonna show you that it really works. There we go. And as you can see now, we are connected with the Android phone, but also with iPhone. So as you can see, we are connected with two devices at the same time.